Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Asus Rog Ergo monitor arm AAS01. This innovative arm is designed to elevate your gaming experience by providing superior ergonomic flexibility. It helps you achieve a cleaner, more comfortable desk setup. We'll cover its impressive capabilities and what makes it a great addition to your battle station. The ROG Ergo monitor arm boasts a full range of movement, thanks to its mechanical spring system. You can effortlessly adjust your monitor with 90 degrees of swivel in either direction and a generous 105 degrees of total tilt. Plus, its clever double-sided cable management ensures your wires are neatly organized and out of sight. Setting up the ROG Ergo monitor arm is straightforward. It securely clamps to desks between 10 and 80 millimeters thick, accommodating most standard surfaces. Crucially, it's compatible with VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mounts, supporting flat monitors weighing up to 11.5 kilograms. Always double-check your monitor's specifications before installation. Before you fully integrate the ROG Ergo monitor arm, take a moment to confirm your monitor's weight and VESA compatibility. Proper tension adjustment is key for smooth, stable movement, so fine-tune it to your monitor's exact weight. Finally, utilize the integrated cable management channels to achieve that perfectly clean, ergonomic gaming space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.